I'm holding the camera above, outside the car, the van, whatever it is. We've done some wine tasting, that's why I'm not all that clear. It's 1 o'clock in the afternoon. We left at 6 in the morning. It's Monday the 24th of August, and this is the area around the Col delle Langhe, the Piemonte region. Lots of vines. We just did a wine tasting in a area, or a cellar that's from the 15th century. Magnificent area. I can't zoom in, but there's a bridge that goes right across this river area here. You can see that in the distance. We haven't had much to eat and drink today, so as you can see, we're in the car or in the van, and there's thunder and lightning, and it's ruined the day, apart from being dead tired, all of us. We're just filming a little bit of the questa è la strada del santuario. Sì. This is the road going up to the santuario di S.Anna di Vinadio, which is a brand of sparkling mineral waters and things, and where a stage of the Giro has look at that, the Giro has come up through here. Giorgio, no, in tempo, aspetta, ora registro. Giorgio's got his hand, he was taking a photo just then, but I'll try to get some film here. Can you see on the ground that little stones have, rocks have fallen on the ground, and the water's gushing over them. I hope they're not getting water on the, but anyway, you can see some also, the waterfalls are popping up all over the place. This is the Col de Lombarda, and we were supposed to have cycled up here today, then gone over to the Col de Bonnet, which is 2600. I think this is 24. Oh, Giorgio, non spostare. Have a look at the waterfalls up there. Guarda là, sopra là. Have a look up there. We're not getting water on that, but as you can see, they're really getting water right tomorrow. Hopefully the weather will clear. Yeah, and we'll be able to see so many. We'll be able to see so many waterfalls. And a little winery, which was the underground cellaring area, dates back from the 15th century, as Bob Dylan would say. Beautiful, and we got some white wine of this area, and we've got a bottle of Barbaresco as well. Look at that. It's going to start working any moment now. There it goes. You can see what Rudy's doing. He's wiping the condensate off the windscreen because the bloody windscreen demister does not work. He didn't expect it to work in his car, in his van, did you? There he goes. The wind's picked up. Oh, I've got an umbrella. We're at the bottom of the sanctuary. I'm not supposed to. It's supposed to be a silent prayer area. But as you can see, sorry, it would have been absolutely majestic scenery. A very, very hard ride though, if you'd done it. And we go this way a bit. Actually, stick over there, and there's the road there. Incredible scenery. Beautiful still. We're up at about 2,300 meters. Yeah. Yeah, it's really, really windy. Jesus. Switch it off, close it. I'll shelter the camera myself, but what's happened in the time that we went into the bar and had a cappuccino, the weather's cleared You can see a bit more of the area. That's where we went up to, around there, the bar area. It's really sheltered from the wind. The wind's blowing from my left-hand side up the mountain and down. That's the sanctuary. Have a look at that. There's Giorgio. Look at that. Isn't it nice? It's clearing. Oh, look at this spectacular. The sun.
Come penetra il sole adesso.
Have a look at that.
Domani forse la strada corre, vedi sulla montagna di là.
We've got to go that way tomorrow, Giorgio says, but look at a little fluff of white clouds sitting in the middle of the valley. Something else, eh? Here's Alex and Andrea. Alex! Alex! Hey, ready?
Proviamo, dai.
Okay, tira.
Stai alto.
He wants me to take a photo. He wants me to film the water on the road. Yeah, got that. More. Guarda là, sopra, up there, beautiful.
Guarda qui invece, guarda. Guarda il video come vengo qui.
I'm going to get a little bit more forward. Okay, oops. There's the waterfalls. Oh, there we are. Bit of switchback action there. You can see there it is. Good old beamer. Hey, cop this for a spooky effect. The cloud's coming up. It's fog or cloud, whatever, and it's just coming up here and rising up. It's odd because the wind's blowing in the other direction as far as I can tell, so why should the cloud be coming up this way? But anyway, beautiful little pine trees. Okay, hang on a tick. That's the van there, and that's the view across there with the descent. Beautiful little roads, and there's Giorgio, of course. And have a look at this. He's taking photos. Big factory over there. All the trucks parked over there. You might just see them if I'm trying to see where my viewfinder is. Oh, there. Oops, sorry. But just look at the beautiful little. The beautiful way the clouds are just shrouded right through the middle there. Isn't that fantastic? And you can see the town down there, and over to there in the distance there's a fortress. You might be able to just see it upper left, and that's the town of Vinadio itself, and the santuario is of Vinadio. I don't know, we're supposed to go across there. We're now in the town of Vinadio, and you can see there's a fortress of some kind over there, and we're going to be going in through there. So let's have a quick look and see. Curious to see what's up here. As you can see, walk with me into there. And Andrea. Okay, we're now in the actual place. There's French flags, as you can see. There's something I know over there. There's some sort of, maybe a bar. Oh, there's some sort of amphitheatre. Oh, let's go and have a look. Courtyard of some sort. Yeah. Oh well, nothing too much there. Let's go over here. Have a look at that. Obviously a fairly old fort. We're crossing the bridge. It's got the European flag. Yeah, groovy stuff. And that's where we were originally. And we go back over here, keep walking, see some of nature's temperamental beauty, so to speak. Look at the drawbridge, the mechanism. Let's get a bit of light in here. See the mechanism there, the wheels opening and closing things. Oh, where that's coming from. Okay, so we're going up the stairs. I don't know. Few little flowers again. Yeah. Georgia tells me that this fortress was built in the 1800s and housed some 4,000 soldiers, which were used in the battle or the war of the unification of Italy. So we're talking the 1800s. Someone's washing. And there we can see Andrea's trousers, which are about to fall off. He's got that style, or whatever it's called. Can't remember now. What's that style of clothing again? Of the Garibaldi brigades. Well, this would have been the Pro Savoy brigade here. And we're going up further. Very rustic buildings all around. An effort to build this thing. I'm just using the viewfinder on the camera to guide me. You're moving up and down these things, yeah. Real mountain stuff. Okay. Gee, the battery symbol still shows full. I'm hoping that everything's working. Oh. It's a bit quieter here, isn't it? And that's the end of the town. This is the town of, well, we haven't gone through it yet, but I haven't seen the nice bits. This is Piemonte. We're supposed to be going here tomorrow morning, and we wanted to get the lights, the lamps in the town. Oh, look at that. Yeah, l'ho preso. Sono che fa film. And there's a bloody semi-trailer coming through. Unfortunately. We're riding through this tomorrow morning. Archways there. See the arrangements. That's Salumeria. Going to take some photos, I guess. And that's the view from back that way.